I have a pal and his name is Mr. DeFrancis. He'd strut around all proud and pantsless. Right through the door of the store he'd anger Karen, with everything below the waist uncovered and barren. He'd obsess over the size of your thighs, so you should avoid large supplies of fries. So gather round and listen to his stories of all the rather corpulent and useless employees. They could range between pure evil and scary, or plain deranged, so we should start with Harry. 1 minute you're smiling, next you're pulling out your hair. They call you a panda, more like a bipolar bear. So take care down there when you're in a wheelchair. No handicap ramp in and out of your lair. Your final encasement will be your mommy's basement. Have you ever had a relationship last more than 2 months? Or is it just like Mech, not even once? I guess you couldn't compel her to go down to your cellar. You also had to tell her your performance isn't stellar. I know you think you're nifty, but people think you're shifty. How are you on meth and still weigh 350? What I'm trying to say is step away from the buffet. You make the selling floor sway from suits to lingerie. You should stay down in the dungeon hanging clothes with Christy Kern. You shouldn't step out in the light cause it burns. You were always wandering while spreading rumors and fiction. Your brain's not full of pondering but tumors and addiction. And you should just stop squandering your life with that restriction, cause I doubt you're conjuring a future wife with that affliction. You can blame your condition but you're just as culpable. Your brain cells are singular but your sclerosis is multiple. What led up to your condition? We could give it a guess. Methamphetamines begins and ends with methadone. All you can do is sit back while the symptoms start to stack. But now your mom won't have to misuse the handicap black hack. Then Pete went ahead and cheated on his wife with a girl that looked like the local wildlife. Throw on a saddle before you straddle that cattle. You'd prattle and self-tattle that you made the ceiling rattle. You were the only one snitching about your time above the kitchen. She wasn't even half your age. Say bye to your minimum wage. Did you believe their excuse? Poor Petey, they didn't really fire you for your graffiti. Should've stopped popping off and just ignored the boobs and focused on dropping off your cardboard cubes. Step away from the buffet. You make the selling floor sway from suits to